Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Arycil Powder Set is probably one of the most versatile and effective cosmetic tools available today, designed to help you achieve a flawless makeup application with ease and precision. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your makeup journey, this set promises to elevate your routine and deliver stunning results every single time. Number 5. Morovan Acrylic Nail Powder Set. Discover the Morovan Acrylic Nail Powder Set, featuring 4 essential colors: clear, nude, pink, and white. Perfect for creating beautiful nail extensions and intricate carvings. This set offers a versatile palette to bring your nail art visions to life. Achieve flawless extensions and detailed designs with ease. Experience professional-grade quality that's easy to work with. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned nail technician, you'll love the smooth application. Achieve salon-worthy nail extensions right at home. The fine powder ensures a strong yet lightweight finish for durable and beautiful nails. Unleash your creativity with its suitability for intricate nail carving. These powders provide the perfect medium for detailed and artistic nail enhancements. Elevate your nail game with this comprehensive set. It's the ideal choice for anyone looking to achieve professional results in nail extension and art. What we like. This set offers 4 essential colors for your nail needs. If you're looking for versatility in basic acrylic applications, this is a great choice. It's perfect for creating beautiful nail extensions and intricate carvings with ease. What people say. The powder is very fine and has a good texture. It provides a smooth and even finish. The packaging is convenient and easy to use. Number 4. Morovan Acrylic Nail Powder Set. Discover the Morovan Acrylic Nail Powder Set, featuring 4 essential colors: clear, nude, pink, and white. Perfect for creating beautiful nail extensions and intricate carvings. Achieve flawless nail extensions with our high-quality acrylic powder. The smooth application ensures a professional finish every time. Unleash your creativity with the carving capabilities of this set. Design intricate 3D nail art with ease and precision. This set includes clear, nude, pink, and white powders, offering versatility for any nail design. Match any outfit or occasion with these classic shades. Experience salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. Our acrylic powder is designed for both professionals and beginners. Elevate your nail game with this comprehensive acrylic powder set. It's the perfect addition to your nail art collection. What we like. This set provides 4 fundamental shades for all your acrylic nail projects. If you need a reliable option for both extensions and detailed nail art, consider this. It's ideal for achieving professional-looking results at home or in the salon. What people say. The Arycil Powder Set is a great addition to any kitchen. It is easy to use and clean. The set includes a variety of sizes, making it versatile for different baking needs. Number 3. Saviland Acrylic Nail Powder Set. Discover the Saviland Acrylic Powder Set, your go-to for professional nail extensions. This set includes 4 vibrant colors to bring your creative visions to life. Achieve flawless results with our clear, white, nude, and pink powders. Each shade is designed for smooth application and long-lasting wear. You'll love the generous 1-ounce size of each jar, providing ample product for multiple applications. This ensures you always have enough for your nail art projects. Whether you're creating elegant extensions or intricate 3D designs, this powder offers exceptional control and workability. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced nail technicians. Formulated with high-quality keratin, our acrylic powder promotes nail health while delivering stunning results. Experience the difference that premium ingredients make. Unleash your creativity with this versatile set. It's the perfect addition to your nail art toolkit for salon-quality results at home. What we like. Get more value with these generous 1-ounce containers of professional-grade acrylic powder. If you're a frequent user or a salon professional, the larger size means less frequent repurchasing. Its fine texture is excellent for detailed 3D nail art. What people say. The powder is very fine and has a good texture. It blends well with the skin and gives a natural finish. The packaging is also very convenient and travel-friendly. Number 2. Morovan 3+42 Colors Acrylic Nail Kit. Discover the Morovan Acrylic Nail Kit, your all-in-one solution for beautiful acrylic nails. This comprehensive set is perfect for both beginners and experienced nail artists. Unleash your creativity with 3 essential colors and an additional 42 vibrant shades. Achieve endless nail art designs and extensions with this diverse palette. Everything you need is right here. This kit includes high-quality acrylic powder, brushes, nail tips, and all the necessary supplies for flawless application. Starting your acrylic nail journey has never been easier. This beginner-friendly kit provides all the tools and materials to get you started with confidence. Elevate your nail game with professional-grade supplies. Create stunning nail extensions and intricate designs that will turn heads. From basic extensions to advanced art, this kit has you covered. Enjoy the convenience of having all your acrylic nail essentials in one package. What we like. This comprehensive kit is designed for beginners, offering everything you need to get started. If you're new to acrylic nails and want a convenient all-in-one solution, this is for you. With 42 additional colors, your creative possibilities are endless. What people say. The Arycil Powder Set is a great addition to my makeup collection. It includes a variety of shades that are perfect for contouring and highlighting. I love how blendable the powders are. They create a seamless finish and don't look cakey on the skin. The packaging is also very sleek and travel-friendly. I can easily take it with me on the go. Number 1. Saviland Professional Acrylic Nail Powder Set. Discover the ultimate acrylic powder set from Saviland. This collection offers professional-grade quality for stunning nail enhancements. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. Our ultra-fine powder provides a smooth application for flawless extensions and intricate 3D nail art. Explore a range of beautiful clear, nude, and pink shades. These versatile colors are perfect for any nail design you can imagine. Enjoy the convenience of quick-drying formula. It ensures your enhancements stay durable and beautiful for longer periods. Formulated with keratin, it promotes nail health while delivering exceptional performance. Experience the difference in your nail artistry. Whether you're creating elegant nail extensions or detailed 3D designs, this powder is your go-to choice. It offers precision and control for all your creative needs. What we like. Experience salon-quality nails with this keratin-infused, quick-dry formula. If you value speed and nail health, this product is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want professional results without a long drying time. What people say. The powder is very fine and smooth, making it easy to apply and blend. It provides a natural-looking finish that lasts all day without creasing or fading. The packaging is sleek and convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.